Hi, I'm Brett from Jim's Antennas, and today we're just going to show you how we're going to mount a TV on the wall. And I'll just show you a couple of the tools that we need today to do that. First of all, we need an impact driver. That's to screw the bracket onto the wall. Of course, we're going to need the TV bracket to mount the TV onto. Some of the other tools we'll need will be plaster saw to cut holes in the wall to hide the cabling. We'll also need a spirit level to make sure the TV's level on the wall. A couple of other tools we will need will be a stud finder. So we need to mount the bracket onto the studs of the wall. And a couple of other items we will need will be HDMI leads. We'll conceal those down the wall cavity to connect other devices onto. All right, so first of all, we're going to measure the wall space, and we want to measure the center of the wall so we get the TV right in the center of the wall. We're going to use a laser level so we can make sure the bracket is level on the wall. Next, we're going to find the studs on the wall. We want to mount the bracket on the studs, so we'll use a stud finder so we can find where those studs are. Next, we're going to put the bracket on the wall. We're going to use a level to make sure that the bracket is level, and we're going to use an impact driver to screw the bracket onto the wall. Next, we're going to put the brackets on the back of the TV. We're going to use a screwdriver to screw that in. Next, we're going to conceal the cable. So we're going to cut some holes in the plaster and put a yellow tongue down the wall to drag the cables through. Next, we're going to mount the TV on the wall. We're going to make sure that the arms fit securely on top of the bracket. Next, we're going to connect the cables to the back of the TV. We're going to secure the safety screws on the bottom of the TV. That ensures that the TV can't fall off the wall. Now we're going to use a tape measure to ensure that our TV is centered on the wall. Okay, now we're going to use a screen cleaner to clean all the fingerprints off the TV. Finally, we're going to connect all the cables to our meter devices and put the cabinet back in place. And finally, we're going to make sure that all the devices are connected properly and the TV is tuned. Thank you for watching our video on how to mount a TV on the wall. If you'd like any more how-to videos, please subscribe to our Jim's Antennas YouTube channel. If you'd like any more information or like to book our services, please call 131 546.